AI is an incredible productivity tool, and businesses everywhere are getting huge gains in efficiency with this tool. But I want to bring up a really important issue with AI that, if you're aware of, you can avoid damage to your business. And that is that AI accelerates any system that it is applied to. It does not care how you use it, and it will accelerate and amplify whatever that is, good or ill. So you have to be very careful to use your AI to use direct your AI in a way that it's helping you amplify the positives of your business rather than the negatives. Here's what I mean. AI will amplify confusion. So if you generate a whole bunch of content around a topic, and worse yet, you have several people on your team in different organizations using AI independently to generate a bunch of content, that first of all, it floods your customers with more content than they can use, and that's actually a disservice to them. They don't want that. Secondly, there is inconsistency in that. Your customers are no longer getting a coherent message about your value and your purpose. They are getting these confusing stories because AI can quickly generate pretty much anything anybody wants. The other reason it's confusing is AI is, remember, based on the internet and what exists. It's taking information and combining it in a new way, which has its place, especially when it comes to intermediate transitional steps like research or drafting of ideas. But when you apply it to your message, your brand, it tends to genericize who you are and make you, by definition, look like other people because that's where it got its information if it's not guided properly. So it's really important to know this is happening and create structure and methods in your process, and always be in charge. You be the boss with AI. You tell AI how you want it to help you on your mission. And in that way, AI can actually amplify the clarity of your business, can help you refine and tighten the understanding of your value under your guidance. It can help you learn more about your clients and learn more about the market and their needs. There are so many ways that AI can simplify both your message and your priorities. So I encourage you to think carefully and be intentional about how you apply AI in your business. It is a powerful, powerful tool, and that's on both the positive side and the negative side.